Hey folks, I want to show you two ways to cook brats over the fire using our Rome cookware. The first style is going to be using our dog and brat cooker. Now both of these are pie iron style devices where it has long rods and handles to keep your hands out of the fire. And this one you can hold 3 brats or hot dogs in it, about an inch diameter in each pocket. Come out really nice. Look at that. The other device is the Rome Camp Bread Baker. As the name says, you can bake quick breads and cornbread in this, but it also holds 2 sausages just perfect. It's a little bit bigger, 1.5 inch diameter. So that gives you the extra space if you're using a bigger brat, or you want to add a little onions or some beer to steam the brat. Either one you choose, they're both fun cooking tools for the campfire.